is Catherine, and we're going to try to get her to start laughing. She was just laughing hysterical. Ready, Catherine?
How much is this one? 25. 20. Tag it. For durable design, we've chosen
Ready? What's that? It's kind of hard to balance the phone. There she is in her fumble. We're having a good time. Wish you were here.
Unique, like sideboard in somebody's apartment somewhere. It'll be a conversation starter.
Say bye-bye.